Hey everyone, welcome back to Welvabex. If you're tired of dull, lifeless skin and want to get that instant glow, you're in the right place. Today, I will reveal a powerful yet simple home remedy that can brighten your skin, remove dullness, and give you a natural glow fast. And the best part, no harsh chemicals, just pure natural goodness. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on amazing skincare tips. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about why skin loses its glow. There are a few common reasons. Why does skin look dull? Dead skin buildup. When old skin cells stay on your face, your skin looks dull and rough. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water makes your skin dry and tired. Lack of nutrients. If your skin isn't getting the right vitamins, it won't glow. Exposure to pollution and sun damage, dust, dirt, and UV rays cause dark spots and dullness. But don't worry. This simple remedy will melt away dull skin and bring back your natural radiance. The Secret Glow Remedy. Now, let's make our magical glow mask. You only need 3 natural ingredients that work wonders for your skin. Turmeric brightens skin and fights dullness. Honey hydrates and gives an instant glow. Lemon juice lightens dark spots and removes dead skin. How to make it? Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice and stir until smooth. Your glow mask is ready. Wash your face with warm water to open up your pores. Apply the mask evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water and pat dry. You'll instantly feel fresh and see a natural glow. Pro tip: use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. And don't forget to apply sunscreen afterward. For long-term glowing skin, try these simple habits. Drink more water. Hydrated skin is glowing skin. Eat vitamin-rich foods, include oranges, carrots, and nuts for a natural glow. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself at night. Moisturize daily, keeps your skin soft and radiant. And that's it. This simple glow remedy is a game changer for dull skin. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments below. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Welvabex for more amazing skincare tips. See you in the next video. Stay glowing!